Got problems, Grummies. This particular bud here, this is the blanket, was completely full of big fucking turds. I beat them out. I'm going to definitely have to go on a bug hunt tonight. This blanket, her bud structure, maybe a few. I might keep for smoke. She's coming down. She's coming down pretty damn soon. I glassed her, and she's damn near all completely cloudy. I've seen a little PM. I might take her down Sunday, cut the fan leaves off, and chunk her into the freezer to make bubble hash this winter. Let me just get you over there. The jackknife's in good shape. Nice quality buds. I'm definitely going to have to hit them with the Dr. Zines tonight. I've had 3 days of steady fucking torrential rain, low nighttime temperatures. The strawberry tea is also looking good with nice bud structure. So I'm going to try to keep it together. Hopefully we'll be able to take these two down for flower. But we got a problem over here at the Rising Shiva. Big time. Caterpillar shit. Fucking caterpillar. I just took one off of her a second ago. God damn you bastard. You come here. You're gonna fucking die. You little motherfucker. Caterpillar shit. I don't know if you can see it. Oh boy, I'm gonna go through her with a fine tooth comb now, well I can see, and then I'm gonna come out here with the fucking black light tonight. You can see that caterpillar shit there, can't you? Yep. There's a big goddamn caterpillar over there in that blanket somewhere. I could not find him. There wasn't a goddamn moth there. The fucking caterpillars are trying to get me, Grummies. And they just might. Goddamn leaf hoppers. Got you, you son of a bitch. Damn it, Grummies. What a fucking battle. Every goddamn year. I go all this time battling every day, and when it gets down to the damn wire, it all goes to shit in the handbasket. Every fucking year. 3 days of torrential rain, low nighttime temps. She's in pretty good shape. I think we'll be all right. I don't want to spray no more. really don't want to spray no damn more. I'm just going to go through her today. Do all the damn caterpillar hunting. Little PM setting in. God damn it, boy. Depressing. All right, I'm going to get after it. Have a fantastic day. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here.